guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is a haul. It's actually a two-part haul, so it's like the best of both worlds for my Victoria's Secret lovers and for my makeup lovers. Part one is going to be for my Victoria's Secret gals, and part two of the video will be for my makeup lovers because I feel like I'm never going to get the makeup video out, so I decided to just incorporate it with the Victoria's Secret pink haul. That way both the videos get done so I can put all this stuff away. Again, the chocolate is popping, summer color is out here, so I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm gonna first start off with my latest round at Victoria's Secrets, y'all. If you didn't know, prices have dropped again. I told you they would. I told you they would. So if you went and you have your receipt, go ahead and go get your price adjustment, because prices have dropped to 75% off for majority of things. A lot of the cloud washes, they were $4.99, went to $3.99, now they're $2.99. Say what? Yes girl, $2.99. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is a bag I really wanted. I wanted this bag so bad, and I didn't get it because it was only, I think it was 50% off, and the original price for this was $38. And I was like, I'm not getting this for 50% off. Now, if this goes down to 75% off or something like that, I will get it. And this went down to $13, y'all. And I got the last one the store had, and I absolutely love this tote. This is going to be my summer tote. It says, "Greetings from Victoria's Secret. Love Victoria" on the back, like a postage card. It is super, super cute. So I was so happy to be able to get it. Sometimes if you wait too long, you miss out, but thank God I didn't miss out. It was one left, just one, and I was able to snag it. So I got that in that purchase. There's some more things in here, y'all. Hold on. And I'm going to still keep my receipt just in case if the discounts go deeper, but I don't see it going deeper than 75% off. I don't know. But I did get the Petal Scrub in Love. Now this was like 60% off at first, and then it finally went down to its lowest price, 75%. So it's $19.50 regular for the scrub. I didn't pay no $19.50 for the scrub. I only paid $4 and some change for this scrub, so it definitely made it worth it. And I have the whole Love line, so to try this out was a great deal for $4 and some change. And the last thing I got from that trip, I have more to show you, the Victoria's Secret Angel Gold. I smelled the Angel Gold and I was like, oh my God, I need this spray. I need this spray. And I got the 1.7 fluid ounces. I didn't get the big one because I have so many sprays. I need the big joint, but the little joint, I needed her. And the packaging is absolutely beautiful for just the box. Like, I guess I'll open it for y'all, I guess. And it smells so good. So let me just open it out the package. Y'all lucky I love y'all because I don't want to open it, but I want y'all to see what it looks like on the inside. And I'm just going to put it back in the box. If I can get it open. Can I get it open? Here it is. It's in here. Come on out, baby. Come on out, sugar. Here it is. And this is what it looks like. Very simple packaging, 1.7 fluid ounces, only $13 for a perfume. I will take that because normally this is $55. I ain't never paid no $55 for no Victoria's Secret perfume, and I never will because semi-annual sales come every year. You hear me? So yeah, $13 I can do. So this was originally $55, got it for $13. So let me show you the things that I got at the Domain when I went to the Domain, because I said I was going to show you the things later. So guess what? It's later. So they had this Victoria's Secret bag for $4.95. Oh my God, how cute is this? And it says just add lipstick. Oh my goodness, this original price is $24. I got this for $4.95. I think this was a steal. I don't know if it went down lower, but I got my receipt, so when I go back again I can check. But $4.95 is still a really great deal for this. And I'm not going to be putting makeup in this. I'm actually going to be using this for like my toiletries and stuff like that when I go out of town. So yeah, this is really, really cute. I was happy to get that. During that trip, I also picked up the Love Spell Shimmer, because I absolutely love the Love Spell Shimmer in the summertime because I love that extra glistening on the skin, especially because my summer color popping and you put some shimmer on this summer color. Honey, Yes. So I definitely had to make sure I got this because I love this in the summertime. So I'm gonna start using that one probably tomorrow. And one more item I got from here, and this is actually the Glow Your Way Victoria's Secret Lippy. So this is the lip gloss, and this is going in my purse. That way you want that extra gloss to your lips, and this was only $3.99. So I got that. So that's everything from that Victoria's Secret. And then this is everything I got from Pink. Yes, and I love the bag. Oh yeah. I absolutely love the bag. I know they had the reusable bags, but the store was out at the time, so it is what it is. But the detox scrubs, I know they're now $2.99. They were $3.99, so I am going to go back and get a price adjustment because now they're $2.99, and when I got them they were $3.99. But I went ahead and got the detox charcoal, and it looks just like that. And I got the Berry Bash scrub in blueberry with blueberry seeds, and I just thought the packaging was really cute, and this smells really good. So I got that. Oh, I got one more of my Victoria's Secret items is actually in here. Okay, I got the Scandalous perfume. Well, it's in the body mist, and it was like $5.50. And I'm going to take my receipt back because I know they went to a deeper discount by now. So I'm going to take my receipt back today. So I'm going to just put it right here. That way I can get the price adjustment because I got to go in there anyway. So I'm going to go get my price adjustment. Now, one thing that the store did for me at the Domain that was excellent, these were, she told me they were on sale for $3.99, and actually they were 2 for $20. So what the rep did was she went ahead and just honored it and gave me these for $3.99. And I told you if I found these, I was going to get at least 2. So she honored that price for me. This is the old packaging, and these were the ones that were supposed to be $3.99, but she went ahead and just gave me $3.99. For each one, with one the old packaging, with one the new packaging. I'm gonna use the new packaging one first because I do not like the new packaging. I actually prefer the old packaging over the new one, but this is life. I love this coconut oil. It is so good. If you can get your hands on it, get some. But yeah, so that's that. I'm going back today to get my price adjustment, so that gives me something to do this morning, actually, after I film this video. And I'm going to get my price. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my price adjustment. People, y'all don't understand, price adjustments are important, especially when you spend as much money as some of us do at these stores. If you can go ahead and get your price adjusted, and then instead of getting your money back, just go ahead and buy something else, so that means you get an extra item, and I need to go in there anyway. So that's it with the Victoria's Secret. So if you are only here for Victoria's Secret, that's the end of the haul. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and make sure your notification bell's on. Now we're gonna go on to makeup. I have quite a bit of makeup, like, whew. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start off with is this Laura Geller New York All Over Glow. It's in a 2-piece set. I actually got this for $7.99 at Marshall's on one of my trips, like way back, and I forgot to show you guys, but it looks just like this, and I think the value of it is $45, and it just gives you an all over head to toe glow. And I love the little poof thing that comes with it, and this is going to be perfect for summertime. You see why I'm trying to hurry up and get this haul out, because I really want to use these products. One product that I did get that I have been using and was included in my summertime's fave video, if you guys can see it, this is the Lancome, and I talked about this. This is excellent. I'm wearing it right now on my face. This is the Skin Feels Good. It's a broad spectrum SPF 23 skin tint for a healthy glow, and as you can see, it really helps my skin glow. And I am in what shade? I'm in 12W Sunny Amber. Who put me onto this? Makeup Doll put me onto this because we're kind of similar in shades, and whoo, honey, yes, I absolutely love it. So thanks, Makeup Doll, for putting me on. So I picked that up from Ulta. Also from Ulta, I picked up a few more things. I got the Mario Badescu because it was on sale for 25% off. Plus I had points. So the aloe vera toner, I actually only paid $5 for it. Looks just like this. Only cost me $5. And then I got the acne facial cleanser. The acne facial cleanser cost me $11.99. and it looks like that. And I haven't used them yet, and I've had them for quite some time because I was waiting to record a video on my makeup haul, and I just never got around to it. So now I get to finally use it. I also got the MAC Prep and Prime. I actually got this directly from MAC. I ordered it, and this is in Cherry Blossom. Y'all, this shows you how long I've been holding on to these items. Come on now. How long ago did the Cherry Blossom line come out? So long ago. But look at the packaging. How cute is this packaging? That's why I got it. I got it for the packaging. Let me spray it. Not too overpowering with the Cherry Blossom scent at all. So not mad at it. Not mad at it. So I cannot wait to use that now that I finally am doing the haul. Also from Ulta, I picked up the Dewy Set Setting Spray for Anastasia Beverly Hills. Looks just like that, and I got it because the packaging was super cute, and I kept seeing people haul it, and I just had to have it. I just had to have it, and it looks just like this, the Dewy Set. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna make it quick. I also picked up the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I got two things from the Sephora VIP. I got the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and Tiff recommended this. And I got the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. Nicole No Fire recommended me to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the makeup portion because I cannot wait to use my makeup items. I know a lot of y'all just want to see like makeup looks and stuff like that, but y'all know I'm not perfect at that, and I just hate all the criticism if you don't do something right. Like girl, bye. Like, I hate when people want to correct every little thing, but then at the end of the day they comment on the video saying your face is beat, but you just said I did it wrong. Sometimes you can do it wrong and it still looks good in the end, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I love all you guys. My camera is about to die. That's a sign I need to get up out of here. Anything you want to see more in depth, definitely let me know in the comments below. What's an item you picked up from the SAS? I am definitely interested in knowing, just in case if I come across it, I can get it. I love you guys. You are the best subscribers in the world. We're over 32,000 subscribers on the channel. It's growing. It is growing. We are growing every day. And to all the new subscribers, welcome. Wholesome makeup, beauty, Bath and Body Works, hauling to your falling type of channel. So I hope you guys just continue to enjoy the content. I will continue bringing it to you, and I'm trying to incorporate different things, but this is the season where people hauling for no reason. So it's time to haul. It's time to haul. So all month hauls all month long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, how many times can I say it? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.